One thing for sure, whenever the CONCACAF World Cup qualifying process finally begins, our margin for error will be next to zero. And we said all that to say that the word making the rounds is that a lot of the players in the current Reggae Boys team are in full support of Leon Bailey and his utterances about the role of the JFF in the process and the need for a more settled team heading into the qualifiers. We understand that Bailey fully represents the sentiments of his teammates and that if the JFF sanctions Bailey harshly, the players are willing to defend Bailey in whatever way they can. Now, it is in moments like these that leadership is needed in the football. And again, especially in a World Cup qualifying year, Mr. Ricketts and Mr. Wint and company must understand that right now, the players have the handle and them have the blade. They cannot allow the process to be derailed by inflated egos. The JFF not only needs to address the players' concerns, they need to incentivize the qualification and make the players as comfortable as possible. So it is kind of ironic and in keeping with what Leon Bailey said in the first place, that the fortunes of the World Cup qualifying campaign could hinge on how the JFF manages the process going forward. Make we just leave it right this way. Right this way. Right this way.
Sports commentary.